What's up, everybody? My name is Pastor Caleb. I'm a kids pastor that's using Hifi curriculum. I'm not endorsed or paid by Lifeway, so these are just some videos that I'm making to help kind of navigate the curriculum a little bit. I made like a really long, full video of a full review of it that a couple of you guys have found helpful. So I'm gonna make a couple of little like short videos on how to use like individual pieces of it, so you don't have to watch like a hour-long video on stuff. So this is going to be about how to access your graphics and your media inside the Hifi curriculum. So there are two ways that you can do this. The first one is inside of the Ministry Grid website that they have going on. So you want to log into your Ministry Grid, and then under your curriculum tab, you can click on whatever session you want. So I'm going to click on this week's session, and then I've already made leader guides. I'll talk about that in a different video, how to do that. But what you're going to do, the easiest way for each week to get all of the slides and even the music video, whatever countdown video you're using, all of that is to click download presentation media. You click that green button, and then it's going to just download a zip file on your computer with all of the graphics for that week. Okay, now there aren't any blank slides on here. This is literally just, hey, like this is the these are the things I'm using, and I'm going to just get all of those on my computer, and then you can pop it into whatever presentation software you're using or computer you're using to show it in your small group, whatever you want to do. So that's how you do, that's the first way to get access to all the slides, and you can do that for each week, save it however you want on your computer. And then the second way that you can access these sort of things is by going to your Dropbox folder. Now, Hifi, they include all of your like leader toolbox with like extra, like all your scripts, your if you're doing MailChimp, all your MailChimp templates, all of this stuff can be found in what's called their toolbox. And so you can get access to that if you click on curriculum, and then I'm clicking on kids. If you go to advanced planning, scroll down to whatever month you're on. So we're on April. If you click on here, this will give you a little download. So click on that. That'll pop you up a PDF. And then this link, you click on it, it will open up in Dropbox. So Dropbox, so I like how they've done this, but it gives you three folders and then a couple of files. So you've got your leader toolbox, volunteer toolbox, your family toolbox. If you want to access the graphics, you want to go into the leader toolbox. And then you don't have to add this to your own Dropbox account. You can just have a free Dropbox account and access all this. And then if you will look here, it says April graphics package. And then they've got their Hifi graphics and then their monthly graphics. Click on that. You have JPEGs or PDF versions of these things. And then it'll give you some additional blank slides or your basic title slide. So those are two ways that you can get access to graphics for building out your whatever you're using it for kids church, for small groups. I want to show you one more place though that you can get access to those things. So if you don't want to download a whole big file or folder, then what you can do is you can come back in to your Ministry Grid Hifi, I guess you want to call this your page. You click on schedule, okay? And that'll pop up like if you're the leader to edit, if you have those admin capabilities, you can click on each week. So click on 1 week, click on one of the leader guides, and this is where you like edit the leader guides. And right here, you can see this little download button next to each of these things. So if you don't want to download everything, then you can just download these individual JPEGs, or in the case of like the intro video, or they've got like a moving graphic that they've got in here usually, you can just click on that and you can download it. So those are a couple of ways you can access the graphics packages on there. I'm gonna link a video to like a bonus video on how I make some blank moving slides So Hifi, they don't have any sort of like blank moving slides that you can like pop in your graphics over as of yet. Maybe they'll update that. They've done a pretty good job of like adding things in as they go. This is a pretty new product for them. So yeah, anyway, I hope that's helpful. I'll link the video to how to make like a blank moving slide below. And if you have any questions or whatever, feel free to send me an email, shoot me an email. We can connect that way. I've talked to a couple of people about how they're using it in their church and some tips. So anyway, hope that these are helpful. Like I said, I'm just a kids pastor who's using this stuff, who really likes it. So thanks for watching.